so cold. Nice. Look. And every compartment. This is it. Ala, may lalaki. So this is our
If I'm not mistaken,
compartment.
Baka
So this is our cabin. Yeah, go. This is our, hindi mag-picture siya. Our cabin. AC. So this is the upper deck. The lower deck.
Iniisip ko para sa ano yung
And that is the window for viewing.
na siya. Ah, wow. Yung pala siya, te. Ay,
This
social.
one can be convertible to chair.
Sofa.
Also this one can be converted to chair.
Convertible siya.
Perfect. So cool.
Dito ako sa 9.
They have also a small cabin for a single person. And this is 2 bed in 1 cabin. Once again, this is our cabin. Like 2A. Not the very first class. With the door. Okay. Wait, tigas ng door. Nang nasa
Bakit hindi
lagi.
mas maraw kasi, te? Kaya tigas. Ikaw talaga yung kasalanan. Ang comfortable talaga dito sa loob.
Oo, maganda siya, malinis, in fairness.
Did you compare it to the other seats on the
Yeah,
the
yeah.
back?
But first class, what is the difference?
I think sa first class, I don't know.
Wala, same. Also same. And,
Tapos plot twist, doon pala talaga tayo.
yeah, to be honest, India, they have a lot of population. Yes, it is. But I don't brag Philippines, but I feel more safe here than in Philippines. Your cell phone is not safe using at the
Outside.
public area. Here, your phone is safe as long as your money. I think for safety, but no one. It's very rare here. I think for snatchers, right?
Yeah.
In Philippines, a lot.
And
It's
I
not
don't
safe.
feel like somebody's like trying to
Hmm.
look at my things like the way like you know how you felt like unsafe.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Here like they'll just look at you because you're foreigner. Like, wow.
But they are very open-minded,
Yeah.
unlike maybe
Other
other
countries.
countries that they will look at you the way you dress. Here, they are very open. You will really see the culture here in India. They have very nice culture. The way they are still preserving it. Their mask. What? Ano? And thank you.
Dahan niya what?
Dahanyawat. See you